Hi, in this video, I will quickly walk you through the process of creating a page on Google Classroom. No, I'm sorry, the website of our class website. So here, this is the post that I talk about the class website and journal. So you go here, I shared it with you already, so you should be able to access it. And now, can you see on the right hand side here, the panel? So just go to pages. Here you can see student blocks, and you click on here. If your class is 101, then click on here. If your class is 294, then click on here. Then, okay, you can create a new page. Then let's say Martin. So it's here, you can just organize it right here like that. Yeah, put it down there, or otherwise you can just create a page and then you share the link. Okay, copy published site link. So this is the link, copy link. Go back here and then you reply, post it here, and you're done. That's it. Simple. Okay. Yeah, and later on I will put the link. If you want to be fancy, you can create a button here, link to this page, but for now, don't worry. You can change the name, you can change the image all over here, you can insert whatever you want, and this page is all yours. Okay, and then yeah, you can publish it, but I have the admin authority, so usually you publish it so that it can save it there, but basically you can't see the published version until I approve it. So I look forward to reading your blogs and your webpage. Thank you.